Customer
So my problem for
testimonial.
this service that I got here by wonderful Brandon was this car is 20-something years old and it needed a serious detail. I had a bunch of dog hair, a bunch of dirt. I was more concerned about the mold because this thing was sitting over the winter and gathered a lot of mold, but Brandon covered that and got it all out perfectly. We got a lot of the stains out, which is fantastic. He took out a bunch of trash that I didn't even know existed underneath the car. My favorite thing about the service is that it smells like nothing. It smells like new car. No more dog smell. I would say 10 out of 10 if them done by Brandon because he does a fantastic job. I would say they did a really great job and it was really fairly priced considering the amount of labor and sweat. I was concerned about them not being able to come all the way out here. I live in a more rural area and I looked on their website, saw that their map didn't exactly service the town that I was located in, so I just gave them a call. They said, okay, we'll send the next guy out tomorrow morning. I was like, oh my god, great.